Hello, everyone. It is your girl Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. Of course, I am back to teach you another line dance. But before I do, if you're interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, this is the step-by-step instruction. If you're interested in the demo with the music, watch till the end. So, also, guys, check out the 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, the NOLA Southern Experience, as we celebrate our 10th year line dance extravaganza, July the 16th through the 19th, 2026. Well, registration opens this year, June 1st, 2025. Please go to our website for detailed information at www.lmunola.com. There's only one thing I would like to say about our website. Please do not call the hotel and do not Google the hotel. Go to our website and book in the group block, okay? If you have any problems, we definitely can help you, okay? So guys, this next dance I'm going to teach you instructors is a prime example of a dance that's to your favorite music. You want to teach it, but it's not at the level of your class, okay? So I'm going to teach two versions of this dance, a beginner level and an intermediate level to the same song. So this dance I'm going to teach you is called Mind Control. And the other intermediate is called I Got It. So I'm actually going to teach both versions on this channel and in my class. I have a beginner class. I'm going to teach them mind control. And my intermediate class, I'm going to teach them I Got It to the same song. And everybody can be on the dance floor. So it's a 4-wall dance that moves counterclockwise. So this mind control is a 32 count, and I'm going to give you the step-by-step instructions. Are you ready? Let's go. So let's stand on this side of the room. You stand here, and you're looking in this direction, okay? So we're going to start with a kick. Kick out, right, left. Right, left, tap on the right, and twist. Now, if you don't want to twist the whole body, because of course you got to bring your weight to the front to raise the heel up, you can just twist right here on one leg, okay? 5. It's actually a fan. 5, 6, 7, 8, kick, kick, tap, and fan. Okay? When you do that, bring the right in and just tap. Because we're getting ready to do something and it's going to set us up for the next step. So twist, tap. So let's put that together. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. So that tap is and. 5, 6, 7, 8, kick. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. And we're going to do a dig. Right, left, right. Dig with a rock recover, right, left, right. And the last step is on my right. Right, left, right, left, right. Okay? So let's put that together. 5, 6, 7, kick it forward. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. So 8 is on the right. I'm going to tap out. Left, right, left, right. And the reason why, so I want to show you something, instructors. So the reason why I'm not just going to go out and in and out and in, I want to unload the weight off of my hip. So that's why I'm going to go left, right, right. It's easier to do that than to stand and just tap out and tap out. Because the weight is on the hip when you just tap out. Tap out. But when you go left, right, right, you're constantly unloading the weight off the hip, okay? So there's a difference in just out and in, But I'm going left, right, right, okay? It feels different, trust me. So let's put it together. Let's go back to the top, kicking out right, left, tap and twist, tap, dig on the right with a triple step, out, left, right, right, left, right, okay? 5, 6, 7, 8, kick, 1, 2, 3, and 4, tap, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, and 2, 3, and 4, okay? Let's do that again, 5, 6, 7, kick it out, 1, 2, 3, and 4, tap, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, and 2, 3, and 4. So 4 is on your right. So the right is going to go back, 5, turn 6. The left goes back, 5, turn 6, and the left with coaster step, 7 and 8. So that coaster step on the left is going to reset us so we can move forward with the next step, okay? So that coaster step, left comes back, left shoulder come back, quarter turn, left coaster step, because our weight is on the right, so we want to move it to the left with the coaster step. So let's add that, okay? 5, 6, 7, and kick. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Tap 5, 6, triple 7, and 8. Left 1 and 2. Right 3 and 4. Back 5, turn 6, coaster 7 and 8. All right? Now the weight is on the left. So now we're going to tap on the right. Tap, lift, right out, left out. Do it again. Tap and lift, right out with a coaster step. Now, what did I do? I went 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Again, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 with a coaster step. All right? So right, left, lift, and left, right, lift, and right, left, right, right, lift, and left, right, lift, and right, left. That's the dance, okay? So let's put that together, and then I'm going to always count. It's a 32 count, and when you count, it lets you know if you missed any steps, okay? So let's do a review first. So we're going to kick, tap, and twist, tap, rock, recover with a dig, triple step, left, right, back, quarter turn, coaster step, right, left, lift, and left, right, lift, and right, left, right, left, lift, and left, right, lift, and right, with a coaster step. Okay, that coaster step is to reset you to start over. Okay, 5, 6, 7, kick it out. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Tap 5, 6, triple 7, and 8. Left 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Back 5, pivot 6, coaster 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Out 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Lift 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay? Now, here's the thing. It's a beginner's dance, but they put in a lot of different little steps. So just take your time, instructor, to break the dance down so that you can remember the steps, okay? Let's take it from this wall. 5, 6, 7, kick it out. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Tap 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and turn. 5, pivot 6, coaster 7 and 8. Tap 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Out 5 and 6, left 7 and 8. Tap and 2, left 3 and 4. Out 5 and 6 with a coaster step. There you go. That's the dance. Mind control. And the song is Don't Let It Go to Your Head. It's a beautiful song. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about this dance, and also check out the intermediate. So the intermediate is called I Got It. So instructors, if you have beginners, if you can have intermediate, you can teach both versions, okay? Make sure you check out the NOLA Southern Experience. I would love to see you. It's July the 16th through the 19th, 2026. Registration opens this year, June 1st, 2025. If you plan on attending, head over to the website. We already have the partial playlist out. Okay, so we have those classics, we got those oldie but goodies, we got those universal dances. You can start teaching them if you haven't done so. So don't wait till the last minute, because we got 4 days of line dancing. So we need a lot of line dances, we need a lot of music. So head over to the website at www.lmiunola.com. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.